Learning a new language, especially English, can be a challenging yet rewarding journey. For beginners, starting with the basics is crucial for building a strong foundation. This video provides a comprehensive guide on where to begin your English learning adventure, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable experience. Hey guys, it's me again. Welcome back to the channel English with Farsha. Understanding the importance of basics. Before diving into learning, understanding why basics are essential is important. The basics of any language include vocabulary, grammar, pronunciation, and common phrases. These are the building blocks that will support your future learning. Starting with these elements makes it easier to progress to more complex concepts. Step 1. Building your vocabulary. Vocabulary is the cornerstone of language learning. Begin with simple, everyday words and phrases that are most useful in daily conversations. Categories like numbers, colors, family members, and common objects are a great starting point. Utilize flashcards, mobile apps, or sticky notes around your home to memorize these words. Tips for vocabulary enhancement. Practice regularly. Daily practice is key to remembering new words. Use in sentences. Try to use new words in sentences to understand their context. Engage with visual aids. Pictures can be very helpful in memorizing words. Step 2. Grasping basic grammar. Grammar is the framework that holds the language together. Focus on understanding simple sentence structures, tenses, present, past, and future, and the use of articles, a, and the. English grammar can be tricky, so start with the basics and gradually move to more complex structures. Effective grammar learning strategies. Simplified resources. Use beginner level books or online resources. Practice exercises. Complete exercises to reinforce learning. Seek feedback. Regularly check your understanding with a teacher or a language app. Step 3. Mastering pronunciation. Proper pronunciation is essential for being understood. Pay attention to how native speakers pronounce words and try to mimic them. Listening to English songs, watching movies, or using language learning software with speech recognition can significantly help in improving pronunciation. Techniques for better pronunciation. Listen and repeat. Listen to native speakers and repeat after them. Record and compare. Record your speech and compare it with native speakers. Phonetics practice. Learn the phonetic alphabet to understand how to pronounce new words. Step 4. Learning common phrases. Understanding and using common phrases and expressions is important for everyday communication. Start with greetings, farewells, and polite expressions like please or thank you. Learning these will make your initial conversations in English more comfortable and natural. Ways to learn common phrases. Role play scenarios. Practice common scenarios like shopping or asking for directions. Watch English shows. Pay attention to common expressions used in English TV shows or movies. Language exchange. Participate in language exchange meetups or online platforms. Step 5. Immersing yourself in the language. Language immersion is a powerful tool Surround yourself with English as much as possible. This could mean labeling objects in your house in English, listening to English music, or setting your phone and computer to English. Immersion techniques. Social media. Follow English language pages and content creators. Join online forums. Engage in English speaking online communities. Read in English. Start with simple books or articles and gradually increase the difficulty. Step 6. Practicing regularly. Consistent practice is key to mastering a language. Set aside time every day for English practice. This could include a combination of reading, writing, speaking, and listening exercises. Daily practice ideas. Journaling. Write a daily journal entry in English. Speaking practice. Have regular conversations in English, even if it's with yourself. Listening comprehension. Listen to English podcasts or news channels. Leveraging technology in learning. In today's digital age, numerous apps and online resources are available to aid language learning. Apps like Duolingo, Babbel, or Rosetta Stone offer structured lessons in vocabulary, grammar, and more. Additionally, online forums and language exchange websites provide opportunities to practice with native speakers. Technology tools. Language learning apps. Use apps for structured learning. Online tutorials. Watch tutorials on YouTube for grammar and pronunciations. Ebooks and audiobooks. Utilize digital books for reading and listening practice. Setting realistic goals. It's important to set achievable goals in your language learning journey. Start with small goals like learning 10 new words a day or having a 5-minute conversation in English. Gradually increase the complexity of your goals as you become more comfortable with the language. Goal setting tips. Specific goals. Make your goals specific and measurable. Regular review. Periodically review and adjust your goals. Celebrate achievements. Reward yourself for achieving your goals. Seeking professional guidance. While self-study is effective, seeking professional guidance can accelerate your learning. Consider enrolling in an English language course or hiring a tutor. This provides a structured learning and immediate feedback, which is crucial for improvement. Professional learning options. Language schools. Enroll in courses at local language schools. Online tutors. Find tutors through platforms like italki or Preply. Language exchange programs. Participate in exchange programs for immersive learning. Navigating challenges and staying motivated. Learning language is a journey filled with ups and downs. You may encounter challenges like complex grammar rules, pronunciation difficulties, or a plateau in progress. It's important to stay motivated and remember that these challenges are a normal part of the learning process. Overcoming obstacles. Break down complex concepts. Tackle difficult topics by breaking them down into smaller parts. Seek help when stuck. Don't hesitate to ask for help from teachers or language partners. Celebrate small wins. Recognize and celebrate your progress, however small. Keeping motivation high. Set clear reasons for learning. Remind yourself why you started learning English. Change your routine. If you feel stuck, Change your learning routine to make it more interesting. Connect with others. Join language learning groups or forums to connect with fellow learners. Engaging with English-speaking cultures. An often overlooked but effective way of learning English is engaging with English-speaking cultures. Understanding cultural context can greatly improve language comprehension and usage. Cultural immersion ideas. Cultural events. Attend English-speaking cultural events or festivals in your area. Cook English cuisine. Learn to cook dishes from English-speaking countries to engage with the culture. Learn about history and traditions. Understanding the history and traditions of English-speaking countries can provide context to the language. Balancing the 4 language skills. A balanced approach to learning English involves developing the 4 key language skills: listening, speaking, reading, and writing. Each skill complements the others and leads to a more holistic language learning experience. Developing all skills: listening and speaking. Engage in conversations and listen to English media. Reading and writing. Read books and articles in English and write summaries or opinions on them. Skill integration. Try to integrate more than one skill in your learning activities, like writing about a movie you watched. Utilizing real-life opportunities. Real-life opportunities to use English can significantly enhance your learning. Look for situations where you can practice English in a natural setting. Real-life practice. Travel, if possible. Travel to English-speaking countries. Volunteer. Volunteer for organizations that require English communication. Work opportunities. Engage in work or internships where English is used. Evaluating your progress. Regularly evaluating your progress is important for understanding your strengths and areas for improvement. This can involve taking standardized tests, self-assessment, or feedback from others. Evaluation methods. Language tests. Consider taking tests like TOEFL or IELTS. Self-assessment tools. Use online tools to evaluate your language skills. Feedback from native speakers. Regular feedback from native speakers can be invaluable. Continuous learning and advancement. Remember, learning a language is a continuous process. Even after you reach a comfortable level of fluency, there's always more to learn and ways to improve. Advanced learning strategies. Advanced courses. Enroll in advanced English courses. Specialized vocabulary. Learn vocabulary specific to fields of interest or work. Cultural nuances. Dive deeper into idioms, slangs, and cultural references. Final thoughts. In conclusion, as a beginner, is about building a strong foundation in the basics and progressively enhancing your skills through practice, immersion, and continuous learning. It's a journey that requires patience, dedication, and a willingness to step outside your comfort zone. With the right approach and resources, you will find yourself not only mastering the English language, but also enjoying the rich experiences and opportunities it brings. Embrace the journey and all the rewards it will bring. So guys, this is the end of this video. I hope you enjoy it and understand it well. As always, if you like this video, please hit the like button for me. You can leave me a comment below And for the last but not the least, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.